Unboxing of RoboTouch Classic Foot and Calf Massager. Cut the ties. Cut open the cello tape packaging. As you can see, this is how the packaging looks like. Remove the air pillows. Now turn the machine upside down so that it would be easier for you to remove the packaging. So as you can see, lift the box up. Do not worry, the machine is held with the help of thermocol. It's securely kept. Additional cello tape packaging from the top. Now turn the machine back to its position. This is how the packaging looks. Now kindly remove the thermocols. Lift one side, remove one thermocol. Lift the other side of the machine and remove the other one. You can remove the plastic packaging as well. Now this comes with a power cord and the manual and also an extra fuse. This is the Classic Foot and Calf Massager. This model comes with 46 airbags and this has kneading massage for the thigh and the calf area. Also has carbon fiber heating function for thighs and ankle areas. The intensity of the airbag can be selected manually, which is low, medium and high. This also has a detachable fabric cover with zip, which makes it easy to clean. To switch on the machine, press the power button and the auto mode is on. You can switch on the heat therapy by pressing the heat therapy button, and to switch off, kindly press the button again. Now on the auto mode, the foot massager starts with air model 1 and the intensity of medium, but you can change the intensity to your preference. This is low, this is high, this is medium, and also this has 3 air modes that you can select from. So at the moment it is on air model 1, next is air model 2 and the next is air model 3. Now to switch off this machine, kindly press the off button. Once the machine is off, you can see that the airbags are releasing the air pressure and it goes back to its normal position. This model not only massages the foot and the calf area, this can also massage your thighs, for which you would have to lift the upper portion of the foot massager. So in this position, the foot massager not only massages foot and the calf area, but with the help of air pressure, it massages the thighs as well. To bring back to the normal position, kindly bring it back to the original position and you can continue the massage. The foot massager also has wheels at the back, so it can be moved from one room to another. Switch off the power button to off the machine.